Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 166, and this will be a quick one because I'm going to share with you the class projects for my March class in the mail kit, which is the Share the Milkshake bundle. Because you only have a couple days left to register for that class, and I have you signing up this month even though the class won't go out till March, because if you do the bundle you'll actually earn Celebration, and Celebration is ending this month, so that's why I put this sign up like earlier than I normally do, so that you can do that. Now you have a couple different ways to register for the class, and I'll explain that when I turn the camera. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I'm watching the live with you off into the chat room, and I'm off to the side. So if you have any questions during the live, just make sure you ask me there, and then I can answer you. If you're watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below, and YouTube will let me know that you've left a message, and then I can answer you if you have a question. You can always reach me at my email or my blog. It's over here. You can always reach me there as well. Okay, so close your eyes while I spin position. All right, let me get in position there. All right. Scoot, scoot, scoot. So the class in the mail kit. So if you've watched any of my goodies and guts videos, that's kind of, if you have not taken any of my class in the mail, that's kind of just like a class in the mail kit. You get all the stuff that you need, and then you have a video to watch later. The class in the mail kits don't have a PDF where, I mean, the goodies and guts video doesn't have a PDF where the class in the mail kit does. So, so for March, and again, registration ends February the 24th, and you can do different ways. So you can get just the stamp set, because this has been out for a little while, and you might already have this bundle, but I still wanted you to be able to take the class. So there's a couple different ways for you to do the class. So that's what I was talking about. So you can do just the stamp set, and then you don't get the die, but you do get the opaque adhesive back gems, and I'll show you all that kind of stuff. And it's only $57, because then you will have, you know, your own die, you know, whatever. Or you can switch out. So if you already have this bundle, you can switch out a stamp set, the same value as the Share a Milkshake, and use your bundle at home. All right, also, this is what I was talking about, where you could earn Celebration. You can also do 86. That includes the bundle, the opaque back gems, the Celebration item of your choice. Now it needs to fit in the priority envelope, so if you order 12 by 12, I just trim it down to 6 by 6, but just so that you're aware of that. You have the supplies to make the 5 projects I'm going to show you today, priority postage, the PDF with close-up pictures, and a private video link so that you can make your cards along with me. And I also offer this to my team. So as a perk to being on my Dies Country Inkers team, I allow them to get the guts. I offer the guts to my team, and it's $25 only. Now, that's just the cardstock, right? Because they would order their bundle, their opaque gems on their own. Now, if something is separate, it doesn't come in a full package, that's different, that would be included. The cute little ice cream cone pen, there's like a variety of colors, that will be included, because that's just a little extra fun. And again, I'll explain that more. But this is for USA only, and I do PayPal, and then so the registration ends February 24th, so that's coming up really, really quick. So make sure you holler at me. I'm probably about, I'm almost full. Okay, so let me show you. So these are the opaque adhesive backed gems that you'll be getting. So you'll get a full pack because you'll be using those on your projects. And then the cute little pen that I mentioned. And then here is the stamp set. And it has a matching die. So you do need the die because nothing will be die cut out from in your kit. So even if you go, oh, I already have the stamp set, and you switch out the stamp set, you still need your die. So make sure you have the die as well, because you'll need that. Okay, so let me show you the cute cards. All right, so I don't know, I hate to say which one is my favorite because I always say that, but I wanted one to look kind of like black and white because this reminds me so much of like the 50s, right? You go to the 50s diner and they might have had colored TVs back then. I don't know. I'm a stamper, not a historian. All right, but I wanted it to make it look black and white. So that's what I did here. So I just love how that turned out. So that's one of the projects. Now, remember I said that for my team, they would have to get this stuff because they're only getting the card supplies. So this card is a little bit different. So see these? I have used these black matte dots. So you're not getting a full pack of those. So those would be in my team's packet. So I'm just explaining, you know, the difference. Now's a great time to join my team because you get extra stuff in your kit, and you can pick the cute little baby boho that I have been showing you. All right, and that's just during celebration to get the extra stuff. Okay, so this is the first card you're going to do. Now remember, nothing is stamped on your projects. You have to have your own ink and all that good stuff. You see this right here, this die? I put this really fun speckled splattery die. Now that will be done on your card, and you'll have this little shape because that's something separate. That's not part of the die. But these pieces here and the cute little ice cream glass, you'll have to do that. That won't be die cut out. Okay, next card. I love these colors, and this die makes this really fun waffle cone. So life is better with you. And I even used one of the dies is a really fun, well, it's this shape. And I used it as a mask to put this really fun shape there. So again, that's why you will need the die, because you'll need to die cut out a piece of that. Now you'll get cardstock in order to use, but I just want to make sure it's clear so nobody says, what? Then you can always ask me before you sign up. All right, and then there's the inside. Here, the cherry on top. Super fun, and the little silver spoon there. And see, here is these blings that you're going to get a full packet of. All right, then we have this fun milkshake. Life is sweeter with you. Now, I know Valentine's Day is over, but I still put Be My Valentine on there because now I'm all ready for next year. But I love the font, and I think, you know, my husband is my Valentine 365 days a year, not just Valentine's Day. So I stuck that on there anyways. And this is some fun DSP from that Rain or Shine, and it looks so perfect. Same with this right here, and it makes a great milkshake looking. So I love that one. And again, that's more of that bling you're going to get. Here's another cute one. You're the cherry on top. And then there's the inside there, that drippy ice cream. And this is some of that celebration DSP. And some more of the bling here and there. I love that vintagey kind of look to that one. And then here is the last one. And this one reminded me, I was putting DSP away. Here you go. That's the inside. I was putting cardstock away. And these colors were together, and I was like, oh, I really like the look of these colors together, and it worked out perfect for this class. So this is the next one. So this is that shape that I was mentioning, and this card over here. So you'll just die, you know, make one with cardstock, and then I just used a blending brush. So you'll have to get a blending brush, or you know, you probably have one in on your table. And that just made that really fun pattern on that card. So those are the 5 cards. And like I said, I need to look because I got some more sign-ups today because I put out the pictures yesterday. So that always gets people excited when they can see the projects. But so these are the cards, and hopefully you'll be excited and you'll want to do the class. All right, let me say see you later, alligator, crooked. So yeah, so that was a quick video. Not even like 15 minutes. I could talk real slow, but hey, you're busy. I want you to be able to get on with your Tuesday. But if you have any questions at all, make sure you reach out. If you're thinking of becoming a demonstrator, during celebration is a great time. And like I said, you can get the baby boho. Now, if you don't like the blue one, you can get the white one, right? Because and it's the same. Let me show you. One or the other. And that is, so there's the regular starter kit where you get the extra, and then if you want one of the baby machines, then you pay a little bit extra in order to get that guy. So you don't feel like, like, well, I can't join because I'm not interested in the machine. Don't worry about it, because you don't have to do them. But if you do, you can choose the blue one or the white one. All right, so if you have any questions at all, make sure you let me know. Make sure you holler at me. Have a great night, and I will see you Friday for my Dies Shorts. That's 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel, and holler at me if you want to do this class. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.